And welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to auto caption and translate for reels shorts on CapCut. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to caption and translate for your reels or shorts on CapCut, all you gotta do is simply open your CapCut app. Once you open your CapCut app, all you gotta do now is simply go to your projects or tap on the new project option. After doing this, you need to tap on the text option and simply scroll down to auto captions. Once you select auto captions, you need to set up for transitions. Like if you have any voices in that particular video or any language spoken, you can find the auto caption right over here. So you can simply tap on generate from. You can do voiceover or video and choose the spoken language, and you can also find the templates over here. So this is how you can simply edit and style your captions as well, and auto caption and translate for your reels and short on CapCut. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.